after you know the science, everyone tells you like that only. You learn the formula, you play your own game. Your recipes, whatever you see, whatever you think. If you want to come here, come with a zero perspective. Don't get your all knowledge into this thing. Come free, come with a fresh mind. You'll learn so many things. You can relate your daily practices with this thing and you can better yourself. That's what I can do. Hi, Technolight team. This is Swapnil from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. We used to run a business from last so many years from my grandfather time. So we have a vast experience, but we used to not do so many technical terminologies things. Till now, today also, after coming here, I feel we learn something new. Abhi, it's like we are learning something new in here. I saw so many things. There are some parameters which where I used to feel normally. मार्केट में एक्सपीरियंस से विल लर्न समथिंग राइट. सो इन वो जैसा भी मैं सोच देखने वाला था, लेकिन आई टू नॉट फिगर आउट व्हाट्स रॉन्ग गोइंग इन माई प्रोडक्ट. आफ्टर कमिंग हियर पीएच में कैसा हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, वो वे कब बाहर आता है, एसिडिटी वजह से आता है, वो आई सॉ सो मेनी थिंग्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू कमिंग हियर यू लर्न सम recipes. Don't come in that mindset. You come here to learn something about the industry, so that you'll come to know so many verticals about the industry. They'll make you learn from scratch, from starting, from collection center से हम क्या क्या parameters लेना पड़ेगा. You'll learn those all things together. So that's what you'll learn here, and it will be very helpful in your daily practices if you're doing. It's not like if you are coming for the first time or you are entering into this industry, it doesn't bother. Even though you are in this industry from long back, you'll learn so many things. Even though you are coming just now, you'll learn technically in a very better manner. In a way, you'll have a proper flow chart, how to maintain that. After going there, you do your own R&D. That's what I suggest. It's not like they have suggested you to do this recipe, oh, up karna hai. It's not like that. After you know the science, everyone tells you like that only. You learn the formula, you play your own game. Your recipes, whatever you see, whatever you think, whatever in a better way. But after that, cross check with the technicalities and formalities kya hota hai, and what are the technicalities, what you need to follow and all. You can implement in a better way. As madam told, बहुत कर रहा था मैंने, लेकिन there are some glitches where I got to know and I'll rectify from now. In that way, we also doing some little mistakes from in our daily practices. I'll try to better them. That's what I learned from Technolight.
So in this 3 days training program, we have also covered a session of laboratory training, which is normally not used by any dairy technologist or manufacturers. So if somebody wants to start these practices in their laboratory, especially in the dairy products, so what will be the changes, what will be the benefit they will gain?
Till now, we were also facing so many adulteration problems in our area. So after coming here, after seeing them in a different perspective, I got to see one kit. They've suggested me a kit where I'll start implementing not in my plant, but I'll try to take this to my collection center level. I'll make sure I'll make it happen. It was so easy to handle. एक collection center में आदमी they're able to do एक system लगा के they are able to enter the results of the milk. They're able to do Excel sheet also in some parts of the collection centers. In such way, if we can do the small changes, we can't do a big change, but small changes slowly will make a bigger impact, what I felt. So it is very helpful to know about these all things.
If somebody wants to come, then what will be the recommendation message from your side?
If you want to come here, come with a zero perspective. Don't get your all knowledge into this thing. Come free, come with a fresh mind. You'll learn so many things. You can relate your daily practices with this thing and you can better yourself. That's what I can do.
Words for the Technolight team from your side.
Very amazing team, very helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.